Okay, I am just looking for air registers to make sure air is coming out of each one. And that's the best we can do today because the exterior ambient temperature. And I just moved from heat to cool, so these are going to look a little differently. Except that this is the primary bedroom closet. We're going to come back to this one because you see how it looks different than those other two. Oh, there it goes. All right. It's only 59 degrees. It hasn't gotten up to 60 degrees today. So and that's the air return register. So any measurement we make, it would just be, we would not have enough data. This is the half bathroom. That way we just came out of the laundry. We're in the living room. So in the interior temperature and the exterior temperature, ambient temperatures are so close to the same. Infrared imaging, unless we find a big old wet spot, is again just an exercise. It's not even an academic exercise. And just a dog and pony show. Another air return. Number one bedroom. I mean, I could take the temperatures, like, oh, see what that temperature is, but the temperature doesn't mean anything because we do not have enough contrast between the interior and exterior temperature. The exterior ambient temperature is too low to collect any meaningful data. So we do want to know that all the registers are working, and that's what we're here to find out. I come over here, we can tell that some of our insulation's lacking right in there. How about that? Is the heat from the roof. Maybe we'll take some still images. How about that? Okay, that one's working. This is the air conditioning part. You gotta go down, but let's see if I can come back and collect some good information. Just that one wall, but yeah, still good information. All right. Down the stairs, now we're in the great family den room. And I'm going to go back. All of our registers seem to be going, but all of our registers look the same. So what I'm looking for is differences, anomalies. So I'm going to go back into the primary bedroom closet. That register looked a little different from the get-go. And then I am going to look at the lacking insulation in the upstairs common area. But no, it's looking a little more normal now.